Okay, so OM-4, bit of a movement around on this one for certain things. They've changed the positioning of certain features that they had on the earlier cameras. So over here now, underneath our film crank, we now have our exposure compensation. Remember, this used to be over here on the previous cameras. And then again, we've now moved the ISO over to here, so you can lift this dial and change your ISO. I'm sure they did this. You have to lift it quite considerably to get it to. Right, so if you just turn it without lifting, that's your exposure comp. If you lift it, there you go, it should engage it. Yeah, it's weird because it takes around the exposure comp with it, but then when you drop it, you have to push the exposure compensation back. I'm sure there's room for error there. But no, I mean, I think once you know what you're doing with it, you'll be okay. So anyway, okay, so you've got 3 positions here. Manual, which is basically, as you would expect, you can control both the aperture and the shutter speed. Auto puts the camera into aperture priority. Then you've got a battery check up the top there. This is the first time you see this. You've actually got a small adjustment. I kind of get that into focus. You've actually got a diopter adjustment. People like me that wear glasses, this is great. I mean, this is actually inbuilt into the camera. You can tweak this. So you don't have to have, on many other cameras, you have to have a different screen at the back here to, add or minus what you need. But the diopter is built directly into the camera. That's great.